Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying logo type and fabric. You need sharp scissors, seam ripper, adhesive solvent like rubbing alcohol, a soft brush, and a clean towel. First, examine whether the logo is stitched, heat-pressed, or embroidered. That determines removal method. If stitched, unpick a few stitches with the seam ripper to expose edges. If heat-pressed, warm the area with an iron to loosen adhesive. Work slowly to avoid stretching the fabric and to preserve seam integrity. Also test solvent on hidden patch first. Once you know the method, proceed carefully. For stitched logos, continue unpicking along the design, pulling thread with tweezers as you go and keeping removed threads to avoid tangles. For heat-applied logos, heat small sections and peel with a blunt blade. Apply solvent to residue and blot. For embroidered patches, cut backing fabric close to stitches, then lift threads. Always work on the wrong side when possible, and every few minutes check fabric tension. Stop if fibers fray and switch to a gentler solvent. Finish by cleaning and restoring the area. Rinse solvent thoroughly, then hand wash with mild detergent or launder on the garment's recommended cycle. Reshape while damp and air dry flat to prevent distortion. If a faint outline remains, use color-safe fabric dye or a fabric marker matched to the garment, blending lightly. For pile or texture changes, gently brush fibers or use a steamer. Troubleshooting tip: if the fabric puckers or weakens, stop and consult a professional tailor to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.